In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Google Chrome search engine if it keeps changing to Bing. This is a common issue that can be frustrating, but don't worry. I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure your preferred search engine is restored. First, you'll need to open your Google Chrome browser. Once open, navigate to the top right corner of your window. You'll see a vertical three-dot menu. That's what you'll need to click to access the settings. Once the menu appears, select Settings. This action will open a new tab specifically for Chrome's settings interface, where all sorts of customization options and configurations are available. Now, on the left-hand panel of the settings page, locate the section labeled Search Engine. Clicking this will lead you to another section that deals with all matters related to the search functionalities within Chrome. This is where we'll make the necessary adjustments to ensure that Google remains your default search engine. In the central section of the settings under Search Engine, you'll notice an option titled Manage Search Engines. Next to it is a drop-down menu labeled Search Engine used in the address bar. This is the crucial part. We need to make sure Google is selected here. If it currently reads as Bing or any other search engine, simply click on that drop-down menu and a list will appear. From this list, you'll want to select Google. This setting ensures that every time you type a search query into the address bar, Google is the engine that processes it. Selecting Google should solve the immediate issue of having your searches redirected to Bing. However, it's a good idea to double-check a few more related settings to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Under the On Startup section, located on the left panel as well, you have the option to control what happens when Chrome is launched. Make sure it isn't set to open a specific page that might override your search settings. It's worth noting that sometimes undesirable changes might occur because of external software, such as a recently installed program or an extension that redirects your searches without your consent. To safeguard your browser, periodically review and remove any unfamiliar or unnecessary extensions. You can do this by navigating back to the main settings page and selecting Extensions to view a list. Follow these steps, and your search experience should be securely set back to Google, providing you with the search results you're used to and trust. If you continue to encounter issues, consider resetting your Chrome settings or scanning your device for malware that might be influencing the changes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps keep your browser set up just the way you like it.